Create high-quality, interactive, fully formatted, ready-to-deliver courses in minutes with AI Course Creator. We'll cover off the following topics organized into chapter links in the accompanying description, so you can easily revisit any section at any time. Now, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to create an incredible course outline with just a few inputs. On the homepage, click the Create a Course button. This will take you to step 1 of the course creation process. Start by entering your course name or topic. Next, describe your course audience. For example, it might be for an experienced marketing professional with no prior transport and logistics industry knowledge. This step is optional, but will ensure the content is tailored to your audience. Here, you can upload a PDF as reference for course generation. For example, you could upload a syllabus, unit of competency document, a sales presentation, overview of your product or company policies. Once you've filled in all form fields, click the Next button to proceed to step 2. Here, you can choose if you want to create standard, comprehensive, or focused course content. Focused will generate a lighter, shorter course compared to standard. Consider what's right for your audience. This option lets you select the text complexity according to your target audience's reading level. Select the language you'd like your course content to be generated in. AI Course Creator supports over 80 languages. Choose your preferred tone of voice. From professional to casual, funny to dramatic, you can pick from a wide range of options. Then, select the country of your target audience to further contextualize your content. You can also provide additional details to help the builder generate specific content. For example, you can add a note to ensure that all legislation referenced is for the United States, or that all case studies are for the health industry. After completing all the required form fields, click the Next button to move on to step 3. Here, you can choose how the course looks and how students can progress between topics. Enter the category you'd like your course to be added to. Course categories are groupings set by you for organizational purposes. If you don't have any categories, go to the Courses menu and click Categories to set them up. Then, choose if you want course navigation to be free or linear. Linear navigation will require learners to complete each section before progressing to the next one. Free navigation lets them jump to any section. You can also enhance your course by including videos. Simply enable the Include Videos option to automatically add relevant videos to each topic, helping learners better understand the content through visual explanations. To further enrich your course, turn on Include Images. This will add AI-powered images throughout your content, making your course more engaging and easier to follow. If you want learners to know exactly what they'll achieve from the outset, simply switch on the Learning Objectives toggle. To help learners apply theory to real-world situations, you can turn on the Case Studies toggle. AI Course Creator will automatically include relevant case studies throughout the course, reinforcing key concepts and supporting practical, job-ready learning. Lastly, choose a theme from our pre-designed course library. You can edit the theme at any time and easily customize it to match your branding. Then, click the Next button to go to step 4. In this step, you can choose whether you'd like to add a quiz or not. If you would like to add a quiz, select the question and answer format you'd like to use. You can set the maximum number of quiz questions or let eBot do it for you. Lastly, you can choose whether students need to answer correctly before progressing to the next question or allow progress regardless of incorrect answers. Once you're done with your quiz settings, click the purple button to quickly generate a course outline. A prompt will appear. Click Yes and wait as your course outline is being generated. Once the builder is finished generating the course outline, this pop-up will appear. Click the OK button to continue. And there you have it, a course outline that serves as the perfect starting point for creating interactive and engaging courses. You can easily add, remove, or reorganize the topics and subtopics as you see fit. If you would like to delete a topic or subtopic, simply click the red button next to it. This will show you a confirmation message. Follow eBot's instructions and click Confirm if you'd like to proceed with deletion. If you'd like to add a new topic or subtopic, simply click the corresponding button and fill in the form field. Once you're satisfied with your course outline, it's time to create your course content. From the course outline page, click the Quick Generate Content via AI button. A pop-up will appear, showing that your course is being generated. This will take a few minutes. Once the builder finishes, you'll be redirected to the course editing interface. You can see how AI Course Creator has generated content, complete with images, infographics, diagrams, and interactive elements such as flip cards and accordions for each of your topics and subtopics. This guide will take you through the course editing process. On your homepage, click the View Course List button. This will take you to your course library, where all the courses you've created will appear. Find the course you want to edit and click the pencil button. You'll find yourself on the course editing page. If you want to make changes to your course outline, click the Course Settings button. Edit your course details. Add course context. Upload a curriculum reference and change quiz settings as you wish. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click the Save Outline button. A success message will appear. Click on the OK button to go back to the course editing screen. If you only want to add or remove topics and subtopics, click the Edit Topics button. This will take you to the Course Topics screen, where you can make changes to the course outline. For this one, we'll be adding a subtopic. When you're all done, click the Save Outline button located at the bottom. A notification will appear, giving you the option to generate course content only or both content and quiz. Simply choose your preferred option and click Yes to confirm. A prompt will appear that your new subtopic content is being generated. A success message will appear, then you'll be redirected to the course editing page to review your new content. If you're satisfied with your updated course content, click the Save button. Another pop-up will appear. Simply click the OK button and you're done. Now let's explore how to add multimedia, such as videos, imagery, audio, and documents, along with CTA buttons that you can use to link to other learning resources to enhance your course. To start, select a topic you'd like to edit from the course outline on the left. First, let's add an image. On the left-hand side, you'll see a toolbar. Hover on the image button and select the format you prefer. We'll go with a single column, single image option. A new window appears where you can upload an image, select one from the image library, or generate an image using AI. For this example, we'll generate an image using AI. Select Generate Image via AI. Choose a style, photo or illustration, and set the layout. You can also select a country to contextualize the image. Enter a detailed image description for the best results. Then click Generate AI Image. A pop-up will appear to let you know your image is being generated. The AI-generated image will appear, giving you the option to use the image or regenerate a new one. Let's use this image. Your new image will appear at the bottom of the Course Builder page. On the left side of the image block, you'll see two icons. Click and hold the first button to drag and drop your image to your preferred location. Next, let's add a video. Hover on the Media button and select your preferred option. This time, we're adding a single video. For videos, you have the option to upload a video file, embed from YouTube and Vimeo, or choose from the local video library. In this example, we'll be embedding a video. Click the button, insert the link to the video, and click Done. Your video automatically includes a content banner for clearer identification of the section. You can now add this video to the content using the drag and drop editing. You can also add an audio file to your course. Go to the Media button again and select Audio as your content format. A button will appear, allowing you to upload an MP3 or WAV file. Lastly, to add a PowerPoint or PDF file, select the document viewer, click Upload File, and choose the document you'd like to upload. Once you're satisfied with the placement of your multimedia files, go back to the top and click the Save button to apply changes. Now you know how to add images, videos, audio, and document files to your courses. Want to make your course more engaging? You can add interactive elements like flip cards, hotspots, and step slides to create engaging, easy-to-follow learning experiences. In your Course Builder toolbar, hover over Interactive Activities and select the activity you want to add to your course. Let's start with flip cards. Choose the 3-column layout, then drag it to where you want it to appear within your course content. 3 flip cards will appear, and each will have a front and back content box. Simply add your content to the front and back sides of the flip card. Don't forget to click the Save. A success message will appear once your changes are saved. Next, let's add hotspots. On your Course Builder toolbar, select Hotspot on the Interactive Activities menu and choose how many columns you need. For this example, we'll select 1 column. Drag it to your preferred location in your course content. Once inserted, a content block will appear prompting you to add an image. You can drag an image into the upload box or upload one from your device. When the image has been uploaded, click Use Image button. After the image is added, you can create, move, or delete draggable icons that act as hotspots on the image. To edit the text, simply click the pencil icon and the Edit Hotspot modal will open. Type in your heading and description, then click Apply. To add another hotspot, simply click on the plus button. Drag the new hotspot to your preferred location. A text input field will appear for each hotspot, allowing you to add descriptive text or instructions related to it. Click Save when you're done. A success message will appear once your updates are saved. Now let's add a step slide to your course content. Select the step slides in the Interactive Activities options and insert it into your course content. Once added, you'll see fields to enter information for each step, including instruction, title, step number, side menu, and content. To add more steps, click Add another step at the bottom of the block. This makes it easy to expand and customize your lesson content. Click Save once your content is complete. A success message will confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added interactive activities to your course content, creating a more engaging learning experience. Next, let's run through how to manually add a self-marking quiz. AI-generated quizzes are added automatically when a course is generated. However, if you'd like to add one in a certain spot or want full control over the questions, this option is for you. To add a quiz, click the Quiz button on the toolbar. A quiz builder will pop up with two options: Add New Question and Add Existing Question. We'll start by adding an existing question. This option lets you reuse a question you've previously created. AI Course Creator lets you filter questions from categories, courses, and topics for easy browsing. Once you've selected your filters, click the Search button. All questions matching your criteria will appear. Simply tick the box next to the question you'd like to add, then click Confirm. You can add multiple questions at one time. A pop-up will appear to show that your questions have been added successfully. Since these are existing questions you've created for other courses, you no longer need to set the correct answers. To add a new question, go ahead and click the Add New Question button on the quiz builder. You'll have to select the type of question you want to add. Here, we'll add a true or false question. Enter your question and answer, and don't forget to set the correct answer. When you're done adding quiz questions, click Apply to save your changes. On the course builder, click the Save button. Click the OK button when the pop-up message appears. Want to try out your quiz? Click the Preview button. You'll find your quiz at the bottom of the topic page. Try the quiz for yourself to see how students will experience it. If students answer correctly, they'll receive a success message. Now you're ready to assess how students are grasping and retaining what they learn. The AI Assistant is a really cool feature that will create powerful practical examples, case studies, and scenarios to further enhance your courses. Here's how. On your Course Builder toolbar, select which topic you'd like to edit. Go to your toolbar and hover over the AI Assistant button. Several options will appear, but we'll choose the Generate Case Study option. This option will give you a choice between generating content for the whole topic or for the current subtopic. Today we'll go for the latter. A pop-up will appear while the case study content is being generated, and a success message will show once done. Your changes will apply to the course builder right away. Once you're satisfied with the examples, don't forget to click the Save button at the top. Another feature of the AI Assistant lets you generate text-to-audio narration, turning written course content into natural-sounding audio and making your course more accessible and engaging for different learning styles. Here's how it works. Go to the AI Assistant button and simply choose Text-to-Speech. You will be given option how much content you want to convert, whether it's the entire course, the current topic, and its subtopics, or just the current topic. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose a voice by selecting the language and accent based on your chosen country. You can preview the voice by playing a sample audio. When you're happy with your selection, click Convert to generate the audio. Changes are applied instantly in the course builder. Now that we've added media, quizzes, and a case study, it's time to publish your course. AI Course Creator lets you share courses any of three ways. First, I'll show you how to generate a self-hosted course link. Head to your course list and select a course you'd like to publish. Click the ellipsis button on the upper right of the thumbnail, the one with 3 dots. A drop-down will appear. Choose Generate Course Preview Link. A pop-up will appear showing that the generated URL has been copied to your clipboard. Now, you can try accessing your course by entering the URL into your browser's address bar. You can then share this URL with your learners and trainers. The second way to share your course is by sharing it to your LMS via Learning Tool Interoperability, or LTI. Click the same button as before and select Enable LTI. A confirmation message will appear. Take note of your consumer key, secret key, and LTI tool link, as they won't be shown again. Once you've noted all details, click the button to proceed. If you're using eSkilled LMS, here's how to publish your course. Go to My Courses and select your course. Make sure you've toggled the Edit Mode slider on the top right corner before you proceed. On the course navigation menu, click More to see more options. Then, click LTI External Tools. This will show your active and inactive LTI tools. Click Add Tool to proceed. Under the Tools Settings section, fill in the fields as necessary. You'll have to name your course content and provide your LTI tool link, consumer key, and secret key here. Under the Services section, adjust your settings to enable grade syncing and user tracking. Make sure you've selected Use this service for tool settings. Then save your changes. Now that you've added your course content as an LTI tool, you can add it to your course. Choose which heading you'd like to publish your course content under. Then click Add an activity or resource. A pop-up will show all your existing activities and resources. Select your newly added LTI tool. You then have to provide more information on your new course content. Name your course, add a description if you'd like, and adjust grading settings as necessary. Once done, click the Save and Display button to preview your new course content. Learners can now access your course through your learning management system. Lastly, you can publish your course by using an iframe HTML code to embed it onto your website. You can do this regardless of the content management system or CMS you use. Here's how. On your course list, select your course and click the ellipsis button. This time, we'll pick Generate Course Preview iframe code. A pop-up will appear, showing that the generated iframe code has been copied to your clipboard. Now, go to your CMS. For this demo, we're using WordPress. On the dashboard, go to the Pages tab and click Add New Page. We'll add the course as a new page using the classic editor. Simply add your page title and paste your iframe code in the text field below that. To check your new page before you publish it, simply click the Preview button on the right side of your text fields. This will take you to a new tab to preview how your course looks on your site. If you're satisfied, you can go back to the page editor and click Publish. Your course will now be available on your website. Want your course to reflect your organization's branding? We've got you covered. AI Course Creator offers a variety of pre-designed themes that can be used as is or adapted to align to your branding. On your home page, click on the Course button and choose Themes. This will take you to the Themes list. From here, click the Create Theme button. Here, you can fill in your theme information. Add a name, category, theme style, and theme image. Once you've filled in all the fields, click Next to move to the next step. This time, you can create your own cover page. You can upload a custom image with your logo on it by clicking the Upload icon in the top right corner. From there, you can choose an image from the local or free image library or generate one using AI. For this example, we'll generate the image using AI. Select your image style, layout, and country for contextualization, then enter an image description and click Generate AI Image. If you're happy with the result, click Use Image. Next, you can customize your title font style and change the background image. Updating the background image follows the same process as changing your theme image. This time, we'll upload an image instead of generating one with AI. Click the center of the upload field, choose your preferred image, and once it's uploaded, click Use Image. You may then edit the Start Course button colors. Click the Next button to proceed. Next, you can edit the completion page by uploading a different image and customizing the completion title and message. Click the Next button. The next step lets you edit the course content banner. You can place an image for your content banner and its background, and you can also add custom icons, set the banner size, corner layout, and font styling. You can also customize the default text, layouts, and icons for practical examples, case studies, scenarios, videos, quizzes, and further reading contents. Click Next to continue. The next step lets you change the font, image, table, interactive activities, content padding, and CTA button settings. You can edit your font styles and sizes for each heading level, paragraph, accordion header, and hyperlink. choose the settings for your image's corner, overlay background color, and opacity. Select how tables will appear throughout your course by choosing your preferred table settings. Adjust the settings for hotspots and flip cards to customize how interactive activities appear. Set the content spacing in the Content Padding Settings tab for better organization. Change CTA button size, font style, and color in the CTA button tab. Click Next to move to the last step. Next, you can edit the preview page to change the settings for the navigation menu, course heading, and topic heading. Now you can save your new theme by clicking the Save button. Your new theme will now be available in the theme list. With AI course creator themes at your disposal, you can create stunning course content that keeps your learners engaged. Running out of storage and generation credits? eSkilled AI Course Creator lets you purchase both. And the best part? They'll be reflected on your account right away. I'll walk you through how to purchase extra storage and generation credits. On the home page, hover over your display photo in the top right corner and a menu will appear. Click My Subscription. This will take you to your subscription details where you can see your current subscription plan and billing period. Here, you can also purchase extra storage or generation credits. Let's purchase extra storage first. Fill in the field with how many gigabytes of extra storage you want. You'll see how much each gigabyte costs and the total amount you'll be charged. This time, we'll purchase 1 gigabyte and click Purchase to proceed. This will take you to your payment details. You can pay with your existing card or add a new one. Once your payment has been processed, a confirmation message will pop up. Click OK to continue. You can see that the extra storage we purchased has already reflected in our included storage. Next, we'll buy extra generation credits. Click the Purchase Extra Generations to start. Click the drop-down button to see how many generation credits you can purchase and their corresponding prices. Once you've chosen your credit pack, click Purchase. Just like last time, you'll be asked to select your payment details. Once your payment is accepted, you'll see the same confirmation message as before. Click OK. Your subscription details will be updated and you'll see the number of generation credits available. With that, you can now create more courses for your audience and purchase more storage or generation credits when needed. Now, I'll show you the ins and outs of editing your subscription. On the home page, hover over your display photo in the top right corner and click My Subscription. This will take you to the subscription page. But since we're updating your subscription plan, click the Payment Settings tab. Here, you'll see your company details including your trading name, billing email, and tax number. At the bottom, you can see your default card for payments. To change your subscription plan, click the Change Subscription button. This will take you to a page where you can select a different subscription plan or switch from a monthly plan to an annual one. This time, we're switching to the Ultimate Subscription plan. Click the Change Subscription button under this plan to proceed. This will take you to a payment page that will require you to fill in your card details. Once done, tick the I agree box and click Continue. There you have it. Your subscription has been updated and you'll see upgraded features right away. If you have a question we haven't answered in this video, you can visit our Help Center for further assistance. We have a knowledge base filled with user guides that contain screenshots. View the link in the description box below.